Hi, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we're talking about how to follow your Instagram following on Threads. Maybe you want to connect with your Instagram friends on Threads. So today I'm going to show you how to follow your Instagram following on Threads. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So let's start. First, open your Threads application and log into your account. Once you're logged in, tap on this profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your profile page. In the top right corner, you will see the student's icon. Simply tap on it to access the settings page. Within settings, tap on this follow and invite friends option. Here, you will now see this feature, follow accounts from Instagram. Simply tap on it. In this window, you will see the list of accounts that you have followed on Instagram and are also on Threads. Now, to follow your Instagram following, simply tap on this follow button next to their username. Below, you will see this follow all option where you can follow all of these accounts. Once you are done following, tap on done to save the changes. After that, you now have successfully followed your Instagram following on Threads. This is a great way to get to know more your followings and to stay updated with their posts. There you go. If you wanted to know how to follow your Instagram following on Threads, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to follow your Instagram following on Threads, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.